But how could I control my sneeze?
You should have covered your mouth.
You help me laying a table for supper.
Sure, Mother. I'll first place the plates on the table.
Oh, why are you sneezing right on the food? Always cover your mouth and nose with a tissue or a napkin when you cough or sneeze.
Bleep was saying
The same thing. Wonder why? Bleep was right. When you sneeze or cough in the open, you spread germs everywhere.
I didn't know that, but
What if there's no tissue and no napkin? Cover your mouth with your hands and remember to wash your hands after that. Our teacher told us that germs cause so many diseases. Always cover my mouth when I cough or sneeze. I shall also keep a napkin with me. I am glad you understand it too, Neo. The end.
لذلك يا أصدقائي أتمنى أن تكونوا قد استمتعتوا معي في قراءة هذا الكتاب. إلى اللقاء، وتعلموا دوما أن تكونون جميلون ولا تعطسون بهذه الطريقة. كونوا نظيفون وجيدون.